I just signed back in after rejoining my Facebook group for Primal Legends and then making a video on being unbanned, and I come back to this? Are you freaking serious right now? So what? I was unbanned for a day, not even a half a day, a few moments? It's only been an hour. At best. Look, it's 7:52. I've already been banned again. Like, what the fuck? Are you serious right now? Wow. Wow. I was just getting back into it and everything. I was just getting back into it, and I'm already banned again. Wow. Absolutely wow. Wow. I was just getting back into it, and I'm already banned. Again. They got the sodas over there. You don't drink too much. Oh, yeah, you do drink a lot. You got the soda this small, medium, and real big. Where? QT. Oh no, I'm scared. Stop it. Soda? Look at my